Nerves play a crucial role in how we feel, move, and function. When they're damaged, it can lead to pain, weakness, or even long-term health issues. But did you know that certain drinks can help repair nerve damage naturally? In this video, we'll reveal 7 incredible drinks that can nourish your nervous system and promote healing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others on their health journey. Our nervous system is the communication network of the body, responsible for transmitting signals between the brain and other parts. Nerve damage, caused by conditions like diabetes, injuries, or deficiencies, can disrupt this system. Thankfully, proper nutrition can play a vital role in repairing and strengthening nerves. Let's discover the 7 drinks that can help you support your nervous system naturally. 1. Turmeric milk, golden milk. We have turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps repair damaged nerves and reduce pain. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption and enjoy this soothing drink before bedtime. 2. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, green tea helps reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage. It also contains L-theanine, which promotes relaxation and supports healthy nerve function. Enjoy a cup daily for best results. 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a fantastic choice for improving blood flow to damaged nerves. It's rich in nitrates, which dilate blood vessels and enhance circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your nerves, supporting their repair and function. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea isn't just great for relaxation. It also has nerve-soothing properties. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce nerve pain and calm irritated nerves. Sip on chamomile tea after a long day to give your body the rest it deserves. 5. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on nerves. Blend them into a delicious smoothie with almond milk and flax seeds for added omega-3s, which are excellent for nerve repair. 6. Spinach and kale juice. Spinach and kale juice is a powerhouse of nutrients like magnesium, folate, and vitamins B6 and B12, all of which are essential for nerve health. These leafy greens help repair nerve fibers and reduce inflammation. Start your day with a glass of this nutrient-packed juice for a natural energy boost. 7. Bone broth. Last but not least, bone broth. This traditional remedy is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that help rebuild the protective covering of nerves, called myelin. Bone broth also supports overall joint and gut health, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health First, and share it with your friends and family.